Guys, it's a big day. The day has finally come. We are cleaning out this side of the driveway because we can finally open up this garage door and get the RX7 out and take it up to the fab shop because we finally got all the pieces. You guys don't understand how long this has taken. 2.5 months to get metal pieces to get this car done. I just got the Vibrant 4-inch oval in. So our stack of metal here, I got some inside, manifold stuff, the turbo, the wastegates, all that stuff. We got to get this car back together, get some things out. We're loading it on the trailer and we're taking it up to Matt Gooch at Boneyard Fabrications in Salt Lake City so he can do some sick welding work. It has been forever waiting for these things to make this happen, and now the time is here. The time has come. The door hasn't been open for months. It's time to let the beast free. Yes, things are happening. There it is, 3-rotor. 3-rotor is going. This is getting fixed. Downpipe, exhaust, turbo will be mounted. Then we can set up the intercooler, get the piping done. You guys, we are getting close. 3-rotor FD-RX7 will be alive soon. Alright guys, bumpers on, lights down, things cleaned up, things covered up, things reattached. Wheels back on. We're ready to drop it down. Roll it out and clean it off a little bit. Spray some water on it. Give her a little clean. It's been a long time since she's been off these jack stands. She's ready for her stainless steel 4-inch exhaust and manifold and turbo to be permanently mounted. That's in that bag right there. We are so close. Now soon we can get it running. Okay, it is actually on its own wheels again. Oh, we're almost there. After dinner, I'll roll it out, spray it off, get the trailer situated, then we're ready to rock. Oh, RX7. Moving from the spot. It's been a long time. I don't even know what I'm doing with myself. I have like an open bay here without a car for a month or two, whatever it takes them. It's gonna be sweet. Out of the garage, onto the trailer. Tomorrow morning starts the next new adventure for the 3-rotor RX7. We are getting excited, guys. Getting excited. It's looking great. Now I have a whole space of room. It's kind of weird. And now they're just scooter boys in it. But there it is. Beauty. It's a great morning. A little chilly, getting things ready. Today is the day. Getting all the parts out. Vibrant. Extra parts, stuff to go. Car is ready. Just waiting for the truck to show up. Got things fixed, light fixed, plate on, strap down. I'll double check strap. We'll load up all these parts here. Whoa, look at this empty space. It's weird. Then we got all these boxes here. Parts, and parts. And I gotta get some more out of the RX7 cabinet. I got the few things there. And take that one. Look at this, cool. It's a B20. Has some little rotary things. Oh, fancy. Alright guys, fueling up. We're making the trip to Salt Lake City with the car to get the work done. Yes, first stop. Let's hit the road and make it there. Car's unloaded. We're here at Boneyard up in Salt Lake City. We're ready to freaking rock. We're gonna push it in the garage. It'll be awesome. Get the old 3-rotor exhaust done. 12 hours later. Left in the morning, made it in the night. And the old car is gone. In Matt's hands, ready for fabrication. And I have all this room now. Alright guys, up by Salt Lake City, Boneyard Fabrications is where we brought the RX7. It's been a few weeks now. Things have gone on. Hopefully we get a sneak peek of what's happening and the exhaust work that's done. I brought up parts, aluminum stuff and intercooler stuff. He's going to knock that out for me. And soon we're going to have a working, running, driving 3rotor RX7. Alright guys, here's the car. And here is the work. 4-inch giant turbo fitting in this car. He made it happen. I'll put some pictures up here so you guys can see all the actual details of him putting it together. But man, we're getting closer. Now he's going to tackle the intercooler stuff. So we get our 3.5-inch intercooler piping to fit in here. We don't have a lot of room, but we're going to make it work. Alright guys, RX7 stuff. Shout out to Burton Racing. You guys, Boost by Gear Kit by them. We got some high pressure sensors all going for the RX7. We got Manifab sub harness for a 6-coil setup. So shout out to these guys working on some electrical, getting it sorted, make sure I have everything. Burton Racing is the best. Shout out to Manifab for getting us set up. The sub harness for the smart coil packs, and then I got a drop down offset build for the 20B, so it's lower and does not hit my hood. So you got that sorted for me. Things looking great. When we get the car back, we can get that done.